Hello and welcome to this GibbsCAM tech tip on creating a faceted body from your cut part rendered part. We've completed op 1 and we'd like to save this cut part rendered file as a faceted body to use as op 2 stock, so we truly see what the part looks like as we're running op 2. Well, let's see how we accomplish that. Essentially, we have our model here in the two different positions in which we have to machine it, set up in two vices. The second vice set up with a soft jaw to hold our first cut part. And we have stock for the first operation, but it'd be really nice to see clearly what stock we have and what we're machining when we do the second op. So let's bag all this stuff and take a look at how we can accomplish that. We're going to go ahead and run cut part render here and run our first operation. And there we have it. We simply right click on the blue banner of the cut part render dialog, come down here to create faceted body. Doesn't appear like much happened, but once you close cut part render, you will see we actually have a faceted body that was created from the cut part rendered operation. We put this in our stock page in the body bag. You can see it says faceted body import. We're going to rename this to op 2 stock, and we're going to set the type to stock. And we now have put this model in the body bag and bring that piece of stock out. And sure enough, we have a rendered image from the first op. Let's go ahead and flip this over and get it in the right spot. We're going to do a 2D rotate, 180 degrees. And then we're going to go ahead and go back to op 1 coordinate system and shift this over into the op 2 position. Use translate, move it over 9 and 1.5, which puts us in line with our second op setup. And we can see that we have stock representing what we actually would have when we run op 2. There we go. You can see the cut part rendered image from op 1 is now in the vice soft jaws for op 2. I'm going to clear this op stop and run the cut part rendering. And as always in GibbsCAM, easy editing. Let's go ahead and shuffle some tools around here, so some operations, so our tool changer is not being overworked. We're going to move these three tool 2 ops up here so that they're all bundled together, and when we bring out tool 2, we're going to do both parts. And there you go. Another tech tip from GibbsCAM. If you have any other questions, reach out to your local reseller. They'd be glad to give you a hand.